Dorothy brought to school a pack of caramel bars to be divided equally among her 3 friends and herself. Allie, however, said that she'd only take a part of her share because she didn't like caramels so much. Brenda and Cindy also didn't take their full share because they had toothaches. Brenda took twice the number of caramels Cindy took, while Cindy took 3 less caramel bars than what Allie got. If the pack initially contained a total of 40 caramel bars, and Dorothy was left with 21 caramel bars, how many caramel bars did Allie get? Number 1. Read the question. Picture it in your mind. You'd see 40 caramel bars being distributed among 4 girls. They were supposed to have equal shares each, meaning 10 bars per girl. 2. Take notes. What values and information are known and what's unknown? Represent unknown values with variables. Your notes may look like this. Number of caramel bars that Allie got, A. Number of caramel bars that Brenda got, B. Equals twice of what Cindy got, equals 2 times C. Number of caramel bars that Cindy got, C, equals 3, less of what Allie got, equals A minus 3. Number of caramel bars left for Dorothy, 21. At this point, we use the keeping the scale balanced technique we learned earlier. Remember that this step is very crucial. Any error committed in representing the variables here will be carried to our final answer. Just going back a little on that, let's take the phrase, Cindy took 3 less caramel bars than what Allie got. We can't simply write it as it appears in the sentence, say, C minus 3 equals A. That would make everything wrong. So we think of the scale, taking note that what Cindy got was the lesser number. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. C equals A minus 3. With constant practice, you won't find the need for this scale anymore, and you'd instinctively know which side of the equation the numbers and variables go. 3. Identify what's being asked. A equals what? 4. Discard useless information. We now see that the information about divided equally or 10 caramel bars per girl becomes irrelevant. 5. Turn English to math. On step 2, we've actually been turning English to math. In the final sentence, it mentioned total, which suggests addition. Let's keep all these in mind as we proceed to the next step. 6. Recall formulas and properties. And from this, we hope to be able to write the equation. It's easy to see that the total number of caramel bars is equal to the number of caramel bars each girl took, including the one left with Dorothy. We can actually write that now as our final equation. Total equals A plus B plus C plus what's left. Substitute known values. 40 equals A plus B plus C plus 21. 7. Use math to solve the equation. As much as possible, reduce the number of variables in an equation. For instance, we know that C equals A minus 3 and B equals 2C. With our knowledge and substitution, we reduce the number of variables by expressing B in terms of A. B equals 2C equals 2 times A minus 3 equals 2A minus 6. Going back to our equation and substituting the variables expressions in terms of A. 40 equals A plus B plus C plus 21 equals A plus 2A minus 6 plus A minus 3 plus 21. Grouping variables and constants and solving for the variable A. 40 minus 21 plus 6 plus 3 equals A plus 2A plus A. 28 equals 4A. A equals 11. Now we know that Allie took 7 caramel bars. Our answer. 8. Check the answer. We also know that Cindy took equals 7 minus 3 equals 4. And Brenda took 2 times 4 equals 8. And of course, Dorothy was left with 21. Let's see now if all these candy bars add up to 40. 40 equals 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 21. 40 equals 40. Our answer is correct. As you have seen, a single problem-solving question may involve several equations and steps before you arrive at the answer. The math involved in our example was simple, but it required your mind to think and work differently, as any problem-solving question would.